I don't know if you guys can hear that wind. It is rocking my shuttle bus. Oh man. Wow. Oh, it's just really doing it out there. I have oh, I don't even know if how my stuff outside in my campsite is faring. I have a kind of a pavilion out there, and I don't know if you can see it. We'll see. It is shaking, shaking, shaking. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's pretty bad. So it's like around 11 o'clock at night in Quartzsite, Arizona, and we're having a huge windstorm here. I mean, it's really rocking it. The shuttle bus is rocking as well. In fact, it woke me up. I had gone to bed kind of early after some campfire fun, and yeah, I got woke up. Wow, it's really shaking everything up. So I don't know what my outdoor kitchen's gonna look like in the morning. Ooh, I don't feel like running out there and trying to capture it all together. You know, it's just whatever it is, it is. Wow, it is shaking this bus. Wow. Anyway, so be prepared for that. A lot of you nomads who are coming here for the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous in January, that's one of the things that happens here. You get desert windstorms, and they can really shake things up. So, just part of it, you know. Things happen in life anyway, you know, all kinds of stuff. But the wind is fierce. And I took my tent apart and tried to redesign it on the frame of my canopy, and it's hanging. I have these clamps on it because I was going to redesign it, and it's like barely holding on. Oh my god. I think it looks like, I don't even know if it's there. My lights are down low, so I don't know. We'll find out in the morning. I'm not going out in that. But I wanted to share it with you because, you know, it's just part of this nomadic experience when you're out here in the elements and nature, and you're living in it. You know, you get to experience the highs, the lows, the craziness, everything about it. But okay, Beachcricket out. Kind of weird doing this this little thing by this light. I guess oh well, we'll see how this turns out. Alright, bye-bye. Wake up and live! Hey, I woke up and saw, you know, a windstorm! just gotta go with it. Alright, Beachcricket out. Bye!